I know. Yeah.
Perfect.
Squad, it's a new day, same me, let's get it. So today don't got too much planned, but we about to go try and hit the road. I got some stuff coming for the car soon. We're just waiting for some funds to settle, and then I can get this stuff. We about to go off for the road. The car is a little dirty right now. I'm gonna let you guys see it, you know. We're gonna get the cold start action for y'all, everything. But yeah, man, let me get out of here. I think it's an echo inside the bathroom, but yeah. You know what I'm saying? We about to get fresh real quick. Well, not fresh. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just about to cruise. I'm not even getting out the car, so. My dad tripping, man. This thing dirty. I'm exposing him. You can't see it, but it's dirty. Hey, them 4G's clean though, come on now. But anyways, I'm about to try and do something. So there's a brake light. Remember, it looks like this. It just flashed red. I'm gonna try and do something. I gotta get y'all cold start, you know what I'm saying? Your boy ain't forget about y'all. Probably got the other camera in front of this one, but yeah, I'm gonna get y'all boys a cold start. And girls, you know what I'm saying? Dang, man, it's dirty up in here. I got dirt all up in there. But other than that, yeah, man, let's get it. Ugh. It's a little cold, so that's my first time hearing this thing crank up that long. It's crazy. This Michigan weather is so crazy, y'all. So now I'm sitting here in this hoodie and a whole sweatsuit. Like 2 weeks ago, I'm in shorts and just a shirt. Man. If you live in Michigan, you know. And if you know, you know. Double cold start action. My dad might be a little disappointed because he keep it in quiet mode. I don't know what that owner keep their car in quiet mode, but. I ain't getting in this thing. Oh, crap. Yeah, man, this boy hard, y'all. Got the red stitching and everything. Red insides, carbon fiber dash. I was like, dang, man. There's one thing about the vets, bro. It feels like a go-kart sitting in here. But yeah. Got the Nelly playing. I don't even know what my. Oops, I done changed my man station. We gonna get a few little rails for y'all. It's in the street mode. You hear how quiet it just got? I just put it in touring mode. It's a big difference. Listen to this. I don't know if it's picking that up, but yeah. All right, man, enough of this. Yes, sir. I had to give y'all a little quick look at the vet, you know what I'm saying? But we can go on our mission for the day. So we about to go to AutoZone, see if I can get some tent paper real quick. And I'm gonna show you how we do this. I'm gonna go through the whole process, and I'm gonna give y'all the before and afters. It should be real nice. I'm gonna get back to y'all after we get the paper from AutoZone. I think we got an Audi about to play with us, y'all. Yeah, I know.
Wanna do a dig?
Yeah. Dang. We got him. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So we about to go pick up some tent paper, and I'm about to try and do like a custom tail light. I'm gonna go through the process of me doing it or whatnot. So we back from AutoZone. We got the we got some 20% tents. They posted they didn't have a limo, so we're gonna see how this turn out. So let's see. Then I also just got some smell good, and you know, the little black tabs that go on my license plate. The other ones keep popping off, so I just bought some more. Yeah, so we about to go ahead. I'm about to take measurements of the light, and I'm about to cut it out, and I'm about to take it over to my machine and cut it out. And we go see. All right, so first things first, you gotta go ahead and you gotta measure the light. So I think it's hard to do this. Let me see something.
Doing my own thing.
You're not doing nothing, mama.
I am.
I'm getting your stinky attitude on this camera right now. All right, come on.
Hurry up.
Jesus, I'm trying to just, I didn't hold the camera for like 2 seconds. All right. All right, can you hold it right? Can you focus on my hand? All right, so we're just gonna measure the, whatever you call this light, you know what I'm saying? So, huh? The brake light. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna go 1.5 inches, and we're gonna cut off the extras later. And then across, we're gonna go 12.5. And you good to go. Gee, you're not doing nothing. But yeah, now we gotta cut off the paper to that length, and I'm about to go do my magic. And I'll be back. All right, so now that we got our tinting paper, we're just gonna measure out how big the measurement was on the tinting paper, and we're just gonna cut that out. So, about to do that right now. Alright, you should have something like this, okay? So we about to go line it up with the car and see. And it lines up perfectly. Boom. We got it on the paper. About to do my magic. I designed the way how I want the light to look. So that's what I want to appear on my tail light, on my brake light. Boom. And we about to get ready to cut it out. The moment of truth. Cutting it out, it should look something like this. This is the project name my car, Carnage. So we didn't use the tint because I was like, that's gonna be too light. So I used black vinyl. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick before and after. Let's So I'm just gonna give them. Clean this up with some alcohol. All right, we about to go ahead and we about to stick it on, y'all. Get you a credit card or a debit card, anything. I'm not gonna use my ID. I'm just gonna use this gift card I got. So yeah, let's go. Peel it off. Try not to tear it, you know. Satisfaction. This is not easy. It honestly came out just as I imagined it, y'all. Hold on. I'm about to let y'all see what it look like and I'm gonna turn it on.